we would take a deceased knee, and what we do is the bone which is there, the irregular shaped bone which you saw here, we cut it into a geometrical shape. We remove about 5 to 11 millimeters of bone, and similarly for the lower part also. So even the lower bone also we just shave off the rough surface of the bone, and we put in a plate, a metal plate like this. And similarly for the femur, we put in a metal cup which is shaped like this. And between the two bones where the cartilage was, for the cartilage we put in this plastic. It's called ultra high density polyethylene. So this is actually how this is a representation of how the actually surgery is, and then we put the plastic part back. Now if you actually look at it, it's very crucial that at the end of the surgery your knee is perfectly well aligned. Your ankle and your hip joint should be on the same straight line with the knee bang in the center. And not only in this plane, even when you look at it from the sides, it should be exactly well aligned. If you look at the rotation of this, it should be perfect. So we say that 6 degrees of movement around the knee have to be in exactly the same desired anatomical axis. And for us to get this right each time is basically what has decided how successful the surgery is. It's a fantastic, useful surgery even now. Like if I do a surgery freehand without a navigation, I can guarantee that 95% of my patients at the end of 15 years are happy with the surgery. Now with the help of navigation, I get this alignment right each time. And it's not 95%, 100% patients would be happy at the end of 15 years, and that would continue forever. We don't know how long navigation surgeries are going to last, but they will last definitely longer than expected. And that's why we started using navigation surgeries. So that's about the knee replacement. It's actually a pretty short operation, takes about 1.5 hours. You require to stay in the hospital for about 3 to 4 days post surgery, and depending on how active you were before the surgery, you get back to work that much faster. So an average housewife, we expect her to get back to normal activity in about 6 weeks time, which includes stair climbing, and we expect you to be pain free in about 3 months time, completely pain free. So that's about the knee replacement surgery. Thank you.